In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy and paste an existing mesh to a new scene. Yesterday, I have shown you how to create a render scene. Today, I will show you how to place a previously modeled mesh to the new render scene. Unlike easy OBJ imports, it's tricky to import an existing blend file's textured object into a new blend file. We need to go to File, Append, but appending procedure can be difficult and time-consuming. This is the easiest method and it can be used on any blend files. By using this method, you'll be able to produce professional quality renders for previously created objects easily. We have created 8 scenes yesterday, and they can be used as a base scene to create even more scenes by replacing the PBR images used. We can also rotate the camera to give a unique look from a different perspective. This is what we have as an example scene of the tile floor. We need to remove the UV sphere, but if we do so, the light object's constraints are going to be lost. I'll show you what I mean. Let's bring in a new mesh from another blend file. It's very important to isolate the mesh object you wish you import by only making that object visible in the scene. Also, join the objects together by using Ctrl+J shortcut. Press Ctrl+C to copy and go to the new scene to press Ctrl+V to paste. You'll notice the textures were imported from the previous blend file, and that's exactly what we needed to have. Use this node to resize the surrounding images like this. Point the constraint target to the newly imported mesh. Rotate the model or camera any way you like. This is the end of the copy and paste tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.